Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever come across the puzzling Tidal music error code 12-1? No need to fret, as we're here to help you decipher this musical mystery. This error, bearing the cryptic message "something went wrong, please try again later." As per our research, mostly this error comes when users try to play the next song, but the error is not limited there and can occur at any part of the app. Many users have reported this issue after an app update, while some have noted it only happens with specific tracks. But don't worry, we have a symphony of solutions to help you resolve this issue. Let's dive right in. Firstly, we have Fix 1, check for app update. Like a missed note in a melody, these errors are often temporary bugs that occur due to pending app updates. Simply close the app, check if there's an update waiting in the wings, and if so, let it take center stage. Once updated, see if the error persists. Next up is Fix 2, clear the app cache. If your app is already up to date, the issue might be some temporary glitch hiding in the app cache. Clear it out, and check again if our pesky error code is still making an unwanted encore. Moving on to Fix 3, restart your phone. Sometimes all it takes is a brief intermission. Switch off your phone for about 5 minutes, then switch it back on. Upon restarting, reopen the Tidal Music app and see if the error has taken its final bow. If the error is stubbornly refusing to leave the stage, we introduce Fix 4. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the app, give your phone a quick restart, then reinstall the app. This often clears out any lingering issues and gets your music back on track. Finally, if all else fails, we have Fix 5. Reach out to support. If the error persists, it's time to call in the professionals. Head over to the Tidal support page and submit your request. They will help you hit the right note. In summary, to fix the Tidal music error code 12-1, you can update the app, clear the app cache, restart your phone, reinstall the app, or reach out to support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.